in today's video we will be I will show you this comic book. So first he is watching TV, dude, and then he sees a portal in a room, and then he goes and then he meets Waterman and Nature Man. Then they both shoot at him, but he dodges it, and then shoots at him, and then they both get on the ground, and then they both get up, and then the Waterman builds up with his water, and then and Fireman punches Green right in the face with his leg, and then Green dies, and she got punched so hard, and then he put the Waterman in a fire. And then he escaped it by using his water, and then he picked him up and threw him on the ground and went super ultra strong mode. And then the fireman did also. So they both fight water with fire, and it creates this thing, and so it makes them go back to their bases. It bounces them back to their bases. Fireman goes back to his base, and then fireman goes back to his base, and water jump back to his bases. And then let me show you guys chapter 2 of the story. Okay guys, okay, so this is chapter 2. Okay, so when they're at their base, they see another portal. They both, and then they go through the portal at the same time, and then they change colors, and they try to fight, and they try to fight like this, and then they both get on 1 HP, and then they can't even get up, and then they can't even get up. So they and then somebody comes, his Spider-Man friend comes in and then shoots him, but his friend comes, and then he dodges, and then he does a ultra clutch, and then he sacrifices himself for his friend while Fireman is healing up. So, and there is bullet shooting at him, so he's one shot, so he was dead, and then they won.